How's it going, everyone? I want to walk you through the most recent update on Grizzology. Subscribers have been asking for these, and I delivered. The best way to do this, I believe, is just to open the settings here on Grizzology Indicator. I have it loaded on my chart. I'm just going to scroll down and talk about the new features as we see them, okay? So if you want to follow along, do so. The first one is this signal labels. So if you don't like, say, the tags, like on supply and demand, the orb or whatever, you can adjust that here. Turn them off, or if you want smaller, you can adjust the size or larger, whatever you prefer. Let's scroll on down. You can now let me adjust that just a little so we can see the key level names here. You can abbreviate the level names. Click that. Once this stops spinning, you will see them change. Gives you more room on your chart, right? Session levels. You can now adjust the hours for London, Asia, and overnight, right? So if you prefer 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. to be your overnight levels, high, low, you can do that here. Maybe you like the Tokyo Open better than the 6 p.m. You can do that here. It's debatable, right? Certain people like certain opens for their levels. That's okay with me. Asia Open and Range. Now, this is huge. Just like we have on the New York session now, we have it charts your range for you, whichever you prefer. Let's say you want 30-minute, 15-minute, 60-minute range. Click that here, set it. Breakout retest, whichever you prefer. You can do all that good stuff here. I think you all will really like this, especially the night owls out there that somehow stay up and trade Asia. We have volume profile now. So, point of control has been on Grizzology, right? I added a new one. This is the current one, the legacy. I'm still going to use this, but people asked for this volume profile, and I added it. This is huge as well, pivots. This is one of the most requested additions, okay? So come here, show pivots. You have 6 different types to choose from. Whichever one you like, whichever one matches your strategy. You don't have to use everything on Grizzology. Use what benefits you, okay? Let's scroll on down. Just keep going. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, also here, you can decide how many drawings show up on your chart, right? Or how far back they go, at least. Like your zones, fair value gaps, whatever you have in here, that's as far back as you can look at them on your chart, basically. I think I covered everything here. If you have any questions, maybe I missed something. There was so many new features in this update. Let me know in the comments. And if you have a recommendation, you're a Grizzology subscriber, you have something you want to see next in the upcoming update. I try to do updates quarterly, to get everything you all want inside Grizzology. Leave that in the comments as well. If you're not inside Grizzology and you want to join the family, use code NQ for 50% off your first month. And make sure you download the whop app, utilize the community chat, the business chat. There's a complete user guide there. Make sure you get the most out of it. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.